I guess perfect. You can't tell me nothing. If you're a beginner and have never made braids on yourself, this is arguably the easiest hairstyle you could make on yourself, because yeah, this is just so easy. Just look, this is your hair with the coils obviously, but this is your hair. Let me teach you how to make this on your hair. This is all you will need for today's tutorial. You will need a gel. I'm using Shine and Jam. You will need a leave-in condition. You will need hair mousse. This I got it as Walmart. This is by Pantene. Then you will need a crochet pin. Of course, you will need scissors. Then you will need your parting comb, and you need some of this or some clips to hold down your hair. You will need a good coil. I got this at my local African store. This is in color 2 because my hair isn't pure black, so yeah, I would advise that you go for a hair color that is very close to your hair. But yeah, that is all you will need for today's tutorial. Hello, so I'm done with blow drying my hair, and I will just put in some leave-in condition and get to the most important step, which is the pattern. I'm currently in my washroom, so I'll be using the mirror here. So I usually section my hair into 5 parts, starting from the middle. Once you get a good pattern, it just makes everything easier. It's just like you get into a flow state once you have a good pattern. You understand? One, two, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to section this part into 2 rows. Once you've sectioned out the piece you want, go ahead and split it into 3. Then just cross the outer pieces over the middle one at a time. Ensure that your grip is tight and just keep going from there. Some people use gel to make the cut cleaner and just to make sure that the braid is generally neater, but I don't see a need for me to use one today. If you prefer using that, feel free to use that at this point. So for the front section, I like to go in a U shape. So I'm going to be cutting like this up to here. To make it easy for you, I usually go in with my hands first, then go in with the comb, because my hair is a bit thick, and if I just go in with the comb, it just gets stuck. Don't overthink sectioning, just go in with your parting comb and just going for it. You need a mirror and you just need to be focused. Don't overthink it. Don't feel like, oh, how can I see the back of my hair, or I've never done this before. Just go in, okay? So I'll do the same thing here. I'll cut it in a U shape. I like doing that because it gives you the freedom to part your hair in any way. Because if you look at this, I can part it from here, part it from here. You always get a straight line when you part it. I'm done with this. It's time for the coils. I bought this at the local African store. This is in color 2 and it's 20 inches. This is too long for what I'm going for, so I'm going to cut it in 2. I bought color 2 because my hair isn't plain black. So I counted the hair and it's about 70 strands. That's a bit bigger than what I wanted, but I can't complain. I like the size. So let's put the coils. I like sealing the tip with some gel. I'm using the Shine and Jam gel. And I will go in with my crochet pin. I'm going to put 1 coil around the middle. Then I'll put another coil and braid it down. I'll do that for most of the back. Then when I get to the center and the front, I'll go in with 2 coils per strand, then 1 at the end. This just makes your work easier and it helps seal the parts that you crochet into your hair. I'll crochet this little coil into my hair so it's not visible. This other coil will go here. The coils will serve as 1, 2, then you pick a little bit of the end of the hair as the 3rd strand. Then you braid. I do this so when you pack your hair, the ends of the Miracle braids are not just poking out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Look. I don't know if you saw it the first time, but I usually make this knot first, then lock it. And tuck this away and just add the other coil to the tip. Make sure your hands are tight with this, as tight as you can, because when you style your hair, this can easily come off. I've used up a full pack of this and I have about 11 left. So you could get your hair as full as this with just one pack. I believe the most amazing part about this Miracle Knots is how light it is. I don't know how to overemphasize this. It's just so light. It's just so light. I've been running away from braids for so long, but I can't feel this. Like, it feels like it's part of me. It feels like it's part of me. Like, I'm so in love with this. I'm so happy with these braids. I hope you found this tutorial detailed enough. Please subscribe for more how-to videos, tutorials, lifestyle content, vlogs, etc. And let me know if there's any tutorial you would want to see. I'm done. So I just need to apply some hair mousse. This is by Pantene. I bought this at Walmart. So this would help define the coils properly. This hair is so lightweight. Like, look at this. Look at this. I haven't made braids in certainly over 8 months, but with this, I think I'm going to be making braids like every other week. Because it's so light. Like, it's unbelievable. Miracle Coils is going to be my go-to from now on, because this is just perfect. And look at the coils. Look, like, is this not perfect?